Kalimera, good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Today we're going on excursion.
One of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
We're gonna take the boat and it's gonna bring us there, and we're gonna come back around 5:45 p.m.
It's an all-day thing. Come with us.
That's the boat right there, Gramvousa. And the cost for this was €40 each. It's a day excursion.
While getting to Balos Beach by car is technically possible, it's generally not recommended due to rough terrain and potential issues with rental car agreements. Many rental companies prohibit driving on the unpaved road to Balos and may impose penalties for doing so. Consider alternative transportation options like ferries from Kissamos or organized boat tours. If you're driving, there is a parking area at the end of the gravel road, but it can fill up quickly, so arriving early is advised. It spans 7.4 kilometers of dirt road. Typically, you'll need around 30 minutes to reach the parking area. From the parking area, there's a 2 kilometers walk down to the beach.
This is Balos from northwest Crete.
We've been here before, by foot in car. This time around, we came with a very nice.
Yeah, it's you have a lagoon over there, and the rest is the sea. And the scenery, it's beautiful, surrounded by a nice high cliff. If you ever come to this place by car, the parking is somewhere there. And if you can see, I can see people coming down. This is the trail. And you're gonna end up here on the beach somewhere. Coming down, it's nice. The view is nice. But at the end of the day, you will have to go up by the same trail. And this is something. Really clean here. See, there's some red dot, red grain that give that pink coloration. Water is very warm here. Wow, it's beautiful. Boat just horn. That's the signal. We have to go back, and we're gonna go to the next stop, which is the fortress on top of this island, Gramvousa Island. There's a Phoenician fortress there. read there's over 300 steps to go up. How was Balos?
Stunning.
I think I like better to come by boat. I like better this side than the other side.
I agree.
Yeah.
100%.
There are no restaurants in Balos Beach. There is a beach bar, but the selection of food is very, very limited in both quality and quantity. The best is to bring your own. You can organize that as you leave your hotel, or you can stop by the towns of Kissamos.
Getting back to the boat, and we're going there, the top of the fortress. Gramvousa fortress. Just came from there, Balos. At the Gramvousa island, when the boat drop you off, you can either go up and visit the fortress or go to this beach. You have 2 hours to do your things. It's really, really beautiful. Look at this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.